Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 5th, 2025, and we're diving into BitFuFu's first quarter earnings report. BitFuFu, a leader in Bitcoin mining and services, has just released its unaudited financial results for Q1 2025. Joining us today is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BitFuFu's report is quite revealing, especially given the challenges the Bitcoin mining industry is facing post-halving. I'm excited to break down the numbers and discuss the company's strategic moves.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BitFuFu reported a total revenue of $78 million for the first quarter of 2025, which is a significant 46% decrease compared to the same period last year. John, what are the main factors behind this decline?
The primary reasons for the revenue drop are the Bitcoin mining halving event in April 2024 and increased blockchain network difficulty. These factors, combined with a temporary decrease in BitFuFu's hash rate under management, have impacted their revenue streams, particularly in cloud mining and self-mining operations.
And how did this affect their profitability?
BitFuFu reported a net loss of $16.9 million, a stark contrast to the net income of $35.3 million in Q1 2024. Their adjusted EBITDA also turned negative at $10.8 million, reflecting the challenging operating environment and increased costs.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 0.04 cents for BitFuFu, but the actual EPS came in at a disappointing 10 cents. John, what does this tell us about the company's current financial health?
This miss on EPS indicates that BitFuFu is struggling more than expected with the post-halving challenges and operational costs. The negative EPS reflects the company's inability to generate sufficient profit amidst declining revenues and increased expenses.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the financial setbacks, BitFuFu has made some strategic moves. Can you elaborate on their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
Absolutely. BitFuFu's total hash rate decreased to 20.6 per second, but they have been proactive in scaling their infrastructure. The acquisition of a mining facility in Oklahoma and the increase in self-owned hash rate to 4.2 per second are significant steps towards vertical integration. Additionally, their cloud mining registered users have grown by 89.1% to over 607,000, indicating strong customer demand.
And what about their future prospects?
CEO Leo Lu has expressed confidence in their infrastructure scaling strategy, which is expected to set a strong tone for the rest of 2025. The company is focusing on disciplined execution and long-term value creation, which should help them navigate the current challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, BitFuFu's first quarter of 2025 has been challenging, with significant revenue declines and a net loss. However, their strategic initiatives and infrastructure scaling provide a glimmer of hope for future recovery. John, any final thoughts?
BitFuFu is certainly facing headwinds, but their proactive measures and strategic acquisitions could position them well for a rebound. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BitFuFu's performance in the comments below.